All right, good evening, everyone. So, I got a request about the ambient light and how to set that up. So, I thought in this video I will show you. You go to setup, vehicle, lights, ambient light. So, here you can set how bright it is. So, more or less halfway, switch it off, or just go all out. Here you can choose the color. So, there are a couple of colors that they've selected, maybe popular colors, but you have a lot more options here. So you can choose really whichever you like. So if you leave it like this, it will always be the same color. You can also link it to your drive mode. And at the moment I'm in the eco mode. But if you switch it to, for example, the sports mode, it will always turn red. So if you like that, you can put it in. You can keep it like that. You can keep it linked to your drive mode. Or if you prefer your own preset color, you don't link it. And that way you will always have your choice, regardless of eco or sport. It's the same color. So yeah, hope that helps.